better, will be top on the agenda. The promise, as it were, to make none other. The free SHS thing is a huge one. It's going to be a personal project of the president to, as it were, make naysayers who felt that he was going to cancel it to know that he's committed to doing it and make it better. 24-hour economy, as you can see, the Honorable Gusitano is already in charge, and I have no doubt that we'll make things better for the good people of this country.
Council, we need to cross over. Thank you. Let me say a very big thanks to Elon Mauli, who is an international relations analyst. Thank you so much.
Of allegiance.
And also Eduji Tameku. Let's quickly cross over to the main center for the event.
Kindly say after me. I, Professor Nana Jane Oboko Ajiman, do in the name of the Almighty God swear. Do in the name of the Almighty God swear. That I will bear true faith and allegiance. That I will bear true faith and allegiance. To the Republic of Ghana. To the Republic of Ghana. As by law established. As by law established. That I will uphold. That I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of Ghana. The sovereignty and integrity of Ghana. And that I will preserve. And that I will preserve. Protect. And defend. The Constitution. The Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. Of the Republic of Ghana. So help me God. So help me God. Your Excellency, now the oath of the Vice President. I, Professor Nana Jane Oboko Ajiman, having been elected to the office of Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, to the office of Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, do in the name of the Almighty God swear. Do in the name of the Almighty God swear that I will be faithful. That I will be faithful and true to the Republic of Ghana. To the Republic of Ghana. That I will at all times preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. The Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. And I dedicate myself to the service and well-being of the people of the Republic of Ghana. And to do right to all manner of persons. I further solemnly swear that should I at any time break this oath of office, I shall submit myself to the laws of the Republic of Ghana, and suffer the penalty for it. So help me God. Congratulations, Madam Vice President. Thank you. Lift your
Honorable members, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana shall now sign the oath book.